Hey, we're gonna ride along on chores today. First time in about 4 weeks, and I'm just riding along. So I got the main chore doer right here, so she's gonna drive us, and we'll see how she does it a little different, or if she does it different, or whatever. But I guess first stop's the barn.
Yes.
So she's gonna drive us. So let's see how we do here. So first stop down here at the barn, and just weather-wise is why I decided to come today. It's about 72. It's really nice, no wind. So haven't been down here in a while. Of course, I replaced this stupid frost-proof faucet like the day before my surgery, and well, I did it a couple days before, and then I can't remember if I talked about this or not, but then I had to go, first one I put in didn't work, so I had to go get another one and put it in. So it was just a fiasco. Here's old Chip, he's the same. So we did get the Gigi, we got her moved over in her own stall, because she looks like she's pretty well pregnant, heavy pregnant, so she might be due maybe 1st of December or so. There she is. You can see her belly right here. Look how big it is. And boy, the little babies have grown. Let me go over and look at them real quick. Boy, they are fat and sassy, so they look really good. So we'll probably find them a buck when I get my back and get back on my feet and get her breds, get them 2 breds. So everything looks good down here. Let's check on the goat feed. Yeah, we might go get some this weekend. So I think I figured enough for 4 weeks, and I actually thought that I would be in better shape than or be able to do more than I could at 4 weeks, and I can't hardly do anything really. Let's check the chicken feed here. See where we're at. Well, that's getting low. Well, this one ain't been touched, so this is our main chicken feed. You can see it's getting low, so I might go get some this weekend. Not a big deal. All right, I guess the next step will be feeding the chickens. I filmed, I got some, I don't know if it's going to show up on video or not, but I bought some feed pans on Amazon. Look at the writing in there. It's all Chinese. I thought that was funny. This is chicken stock number 1. I'm not gonna get out on this one. It's probably a raccoon or something tear the wire apart the other day, and got we lost probably about, I can't remember how many chickens we lost. What she said, probably about 8 or 9. No, how many chickens we lose? 7 or 8?
I think it was about 10.
Lost about 10, she said. So laying anyway, so anyway. We're down about probably 30 in there. So anyway, we repaired it. Hadn't any more problems here lately, so anyway, next stop probably another chicken coop. This is chicken stop number 2. And it looks like, well, don't look like they're molting as heavy as they were, so we might get back on these a little bit. I hope they start laying again, so. Yeah, by the way, I'm out here with my cane, so. And I got my compression socks on, my old man socks, so. Just got a few more days with them, and I'll be out of them, and boy, I'll be one happy dude. Real happy to get out of these things. So. Yeah, they look a lot better than they did, so hopefully the molt's about coming to an end on this bunch. So I think the sheep are next, so I'll try to get a good shot of that. And this is the last chicken stop, so these things they're still molting really bad, really heavy. The other one slowed up a little bit, so yeah, this is pretty good here. Still going good, so no eggs today, I bet. Ain't got any from the other 2, so I don't know. Wish they start laying again. Anyway. Well, that's it. We just got back checking the mail too, so hope you enjoyed the video. Boy, it felt good to get it. It feels real good to get out. I can't wait to get back at it. I know she probably wants me to get back doing it too, so but I enjoyed it. Feels really good to get out. Feels really good outside here today. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here in the farm next video.